friends, I'm your astrologer Surbhi and you're watching AstroSage TV. This is your horoscope for the transit of Rahu and Ketu, which has happened on January 29th in 2016 at 11:37 p.m. in India. In this transit, Rahu will enter Leo and Ketu will enter Aquarius. Let's now know how this transit will affect your life. I'm beginning these predictions from the first sign of the zodiac, Aries. Aries, you will be rewarded with lots of goodness in the form of income, progeny and education. Health is well, therefore a full concentration is needed to keep yourself well. Taking risk in life is sometimes important, but this is not the right time for you. Now let's see how Taurus will fare. Some of you might undergo stress, but keep focusing on how blessed you are instead of taking stress. An excellent performance is expected by you, which will make things smooth. However, it will be great if you can stay away from legal matters. Let's now know how Geminis will do. Geminis, you will inhale confidence and exhale all the doubts which were troubling you in the past. Your confidence, success, devotion in spirituality and profits will catch speed. Disputes between siblings can be observed, whereas you might travel unnecessarily. Let's now see how Cancerians will do. Cancerians, you will be receiving tremendous amount of money, but with lots of unusual expenses. So save money in order to be saved by money in future. Drive safely and take care of your health to avoid getting health issues related to stomach. Let's now know how Lions will do. Lions, there is no rule to fall for someone, and with this view, you might fall in love. A momentary sadness might be felt, which may lead in dissatisfaction among family members. Having a sacrificing nature will solve all brawls. Taking decisions wisely in business will be gainful. Now let's see how Virgonians will do. Virgonians, this planetary movement will result in many trips including foreign. Victory and defeats are part of life. Hence, you will receive victory over enemies. You will be able to clear your past debts now. On the other hand, due to this transit, health will improve. Now let's see how Librans will do. On monetary terms, your time is very favorable and love life will be full of beautiful moments. Natives who are students will excel in their studies. Willpower, decision-making abilities and interest in religious matters will also increase. However, avoid taking shortcuts. Let's now see how Scorpions will do. Scorpions, you will receive tremendous success, whether it is related to legal, political or administrative matters. Every family has problems, but sticking together is the key. Therefore, avoid getting into brawls. Take care of your parents' health and yourself. Now, I'll talk about Sagittarians. You will receive mixed results depending on the planetary positions of your birth time. While in general, journeys might bring some troubles, but your inner confidence will increase now, which will give you success. However, maintain good relations with knowns. Now I will tell how Capricornians will do. It is said that bad time brings good lessons. So do not worry and avoid following false path, bad eating habits and maintain cordial relation with loved ones. This transit is not much favorable for you. Chances of getting health issues and financial problems are there. So be careful. Let's now see how Aquarians will do. Your business life will be flourished due to this transit. However, maintain lovable bond with spouse to avoid quarrels and with business partners as well. Be careful in financial matters and health. Last, an enhancement in courage will be observed. So overall things look mixed but happier than mixed. Let's now know how Pisces will do. This transit is bringing goodness to your life. Relation with spouse and business partners will improve. If trying for loans, you will be successful. During this transit, control your expenses and keep an eye on health. So this was all I had for you. Thank you for watching this video. To stay tuned with us, subscribe Astro Sage TV. Your likes and shares matter a lot to us. If you have any feedback, please write it down in the comments below. Have a wonderful time ahead. Namaste.